Hello. I'm going to show you how to carve, or how I carved this little sparrow sitting on a twig looking at a bug. That narrative, for want of a better word, that little story, that's quite important in the overall design, because you could have a bird sitting just on a branch, so that's a bird sitting on a branch, but now you've got something going on, and that's much more intriguing for the viewer. Another aspect of the design of this is using the grain of the wood to its best advantage. So I've got the fibres coming along here, so although it looks quite thin, I've got all the strength coming in here. And I'll show you how I glue up the wood to make advantage of that. Anyway, there it is. Little sparrow, little bug. I hope you like it.